Today I'm just gonna, I got a couple of packages in the mail today. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. I suspect these are my Polk Audio Atrium 4 outdoor speakers for my patio. Now, a couple of months ago, I built my own Bluetooth speaker, but my wife didn't care for it. She said it was too big and gaudy looking. She wanted something that was hidden, so I bought these Polk Audio Atrium 4 outdoor speakers. All right. There they are right there, all weather. I got them in white so they can match half the patio. Plus, I got, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up this spare amplifier I have with this amplifier, Bluetooth amplifier box, or a Bluetooth amplifier board, right here. There you go. All it uses is micro USB to USB jack, and you plug it into a 5-volt adapter, and you're good to go. And I'm going to use a 3.5 millimeter jack here to 2 RCAs. And I'm going to hook that up to this little amplifier that I have in the patio. It's a Sherborne amplifier. I'll show it to you guys real quick. I got that, and this is the cheap little USB adapter. Now I wanted something small because that way I could fit it in my patio. I'll show you what I mean in a few as to why I needed something this small. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug this up. All I need is something simple. 1 amp would do. That's all I need, is something like this that plugs into this small 6-inch cable I got. I'll plug that into here, into the outlet, and into the USB Bluetooth adapter right here. Let's see here. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, just like so. I don't know if you guys can see that, just like that. Now, I got one of these in my company truck, and it works great. Okay, now this is this little shelving rack that I put up real quick on my patio. I'm going to go ahead and use this Sherborne amplifier. I'm going to run the power cable down the back side of it, go across, and to the outlet. Now, I needed something small so I could run the cables inside there. It's not a lot of room, so I'm going to put the Bluetooth module inside there, run the 3.5 to RCAs out to the amplifier and to the back of the amplifier, which is, let me show you real quick, right to these RCA inputs. Then I got speaker A, speaker outputs. I'm going to run that. Also, try to keep as pretty cable management as I can. I'm going to put it in the back over here, going across, then to the corner, all the way up to right there. I'm going to put 1 speaker there, and then go across and put the other one on the other side. Now, they're not going to be super loud, but just for me and my wife, it'll be fine. Let me show you what the speakers look like real quick. All right, let's take a look at these real quick. I'm not going to bore you with any details. Well, not too many details. Manual, instructions, blah, blah, blah. Nice packaging, and here they are. Now, I went with the 4-inch driver, and I think it's got a 1-inch or a 3/4 inch tweeter. That's all I really need. It doesn't come with any speaker wire in here, but I've got my own speaker wire here. And it's like I said, I don't need it to be super loud or anything like that. And this would be fine. It's especially for just me and my wife, and whenever I entertain guests and stuff like that. This would be good. They got binding posts in the back, and I'm going to hook it all up together, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after I'm done. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey everybody, I'm done. Now I just wanted you guys to take a quick look at it. I got speaker wire running from the amplifier all the way up going across, connecting to the first speaker, then going across and connecting to the second speaker. Now, it's not the greatest job of wiring, but it's the best I could do right now with what I have. Now, and on top of that, the amplifier, I've got the 3.5 millimeter jack to RCAs connecting to the amplifier, running down the side of my little shelving system, running across, and I've got everything stuffed inside there, as well as the Bluetooth amplifier board, which is on right now. All you have to do is just grab yourself your phone or portable device or anything. It's gonna come up as BT speaker, Bluetooth speaker. You can go ahead and connect to it. I already did connect it to it. Now I'll go ahead and just pick a quick track for you guys to listen to. Like I said before, and you probably heard it a bunch of times on YouTube, you're not gonna get the same type of sound quality as you are if you're actually right here. But it actually works. Let's see. Now, excuse the lighting that I have here. It's kind of like a dreary, rainy day. There's the speakers right there. And it actually gets pretty loud. Let's see, let me show you. Now that is pretty loud. I'm pretty impressed with this little amplifier. I mean, supposedly it only puts out like, I think 35 watts a channel. I'm not too sure. And as far as the speakers are concerned, I'll leave a link in the description down below where you can pick one up. I paid, I think, 99 bucks and some change on Amazon with free shipping and handling if you have Amazon Prime. And as far as this is a discontinued amplifier. You might find some on eBay or something like that, but I had this for a while, for a few years, so I figured I might as well just use it. But it came out better than I thought. It's clean, and hey, I enjoy it, and it looks really nice, man. Well, I hope you guys liked the video, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Let it go.